Hi, I'm Matthew,
Hi, I'm Ray.
and we're here to teach you about multi-step equations. Our standards are: we will teach you to write and evaluate numerical expressions involving whole number exponents, write, read, and evaluate expressions in which letters stands for numbers, and be able to solve equations that require more than one step.
Alright, on to the vocabulary. Coefficient. The number multiplied by the variable. Example, 5x. 5 is a coefficient. Combining like terms. When two like variables, example 5 and 3, or 5x and 3x, are combined to create one number, 8 or 8x, commutative property. In multiplication or addition, the order of two numbers may be switched around and the answer is the same. Example, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Constant. A number representing a quantity assumed to have a fixed value. In x plus 6, 6 is a constant. Like terms. Terms with exactly the same variable factors in a variable expression. Alright, vocabulary continued. No solution. No solution is when the system of equations have the same slope but different y-intercepts. Simplified expression. All like terms have been combined, all parentheses have been removed. Distributive property. A times b plus c is equal to a times b plus a times c. Applying the variable to both numbers in the parentheses. Quantity, how much there is of something. The sum of the numbers in the parentheses when using the distributive property. Reciprocal, one pair of numbers whose product is 1. The reciprocal, 2/3, is 3/2.
Example 1. 2x minus 12 equals 5. For the first step, you must get rid of the constant, which is negative 12. So you would do 2x minus 12 plus 12 equals 5 plus 12. So your answer would come out to be 2x equals 17. For the second step, you must get rid of the 2, which is the coefficient of the x. So you would do the inverse of multiplication, which is division. So you would do 2x divided by 2 equals 17 divided by 2, therefore giving you your solution, x equals 8.5. Example 2, 6x minus 8 equals x plus 2. For the first step, you must get rid of the x on one side. I got rid of the x that was by itself because it seemed easiest. So I subtracted x on both sides of the equation, and that gave me 5x minus 8 equals 2. And for the second step, you must get rid of the constant negative a. So you would do 5x minus 8 plus 8 equals 2 plus 8, and that will give you 5x equals 10. For the third step, you must get rid of the coefficient 5. So you would divide by 5 and get 5x divided by 5 equals 10 divided by 5, and that will give you the solution of 2. Example 3. 5, opening parentheses, 2h plus 6, closing parentheses, equals negative 4, parentheses, negative 5 minus 2h, close parentheses, plus 3h. For the first step, you must use the distributive property and distribute the 5 to both numbers inside the equation. So you would do 5 times 2h, and you would get 10h, and 5 times 6 and get 30. And for the other side, you must distribute the negative 4 to both the negative 5 and negative 2h. And so you would do negative 4 times negative 5, and you would get positive 20. And negative 4 times negative 2h and get positive 8. And since there is another number outside of the parentheses besides the negative 4, you will add that into the next part of the equation. And so your equation now would be 10h plus 30 equals 20 plus 8h plus 3h. And so after, you must combine like terms, which will mean you will add 8h plus 3h and get 11h. So now the equation will be 10h plus 30 equals 20 plus 11h. So now you must get rid of one of the numbers on either side. So now you will subtract 10h from 11h, and you will be left with 30 equals 20 plus 1h. And so now you must get rid of the constant, which is 20. So you would do minus 20 on both sides, and then you'll be left with 10 equals 1h. And so now you must get rid of the 1, and then you would do 1h divided by 1 equals 10 divided by 1, and you would get 10 equals h.
Alright, thank you guys for watching, and now it is your turn to try your own multi-step equations.